Example. Here we are to find the area of a rectangle with base 10 centimeters and height 4 centimeters. So our solution, first we want to draw a sketch of the problem. We see that the base is longer than the height is high. So we want a rectangle that's longer than it is high. It doesn't have to be exactly 10 by 4. 10 centimeters down here and 4 centimeters here. And we're looking to find the area of this rectangle. So the first thing we need to do is have our formula for the area. The formula for the area of a rectangle is, anybody remember? Base times height. So base times height. That's our formula. Here, what do we have? We have the area of our rectangle, and now we're going to substitute in our base and our height. So for base, we're going to put in 10 centimeters, and for height, we're going to put in 4 centimeters. Now we group these by numbers and units. So we have 10 times 4, that's the two numbers, and centimeters times centimeters. So we have 10 times 4 is 40, and centimeters times centimeters is centimeters squared. So that is our answer to what is the area of this rectangle.